my kitchen. Today we are going to be doing a Blueland review. Because I just moved into a new place, I wanted to try something completely different and new. Instead of buying Clorox, bleach, 409, Windex, bathroom tile cleaner, which I'm blanking on right now, and all of this stuff, all you need is 3 products. I wanted to see if they worked just as well or better or just were eh. So when you get your Blueland out of the package, it comes with this pamphlet and it says Blueland, how it works, and it's got the little fill line thing. Your cleanup kit, you fill it with warm or hot water for each forever bottle to the line, which was shown on the front. Number 2, you drop in the tablet of each pack into its matching bottle. So Blueland's thought of everything. The bottle itself is the same color as the tablet, and it's really easy and simple to do. Then put on the nozzle and get cleaning. It may settle at the bottom, don't sweat it, it doesn't impact efficiency. You're helping to eliminate over 5 billion cleaning bottles from being thrown away each year. That's really cool. The multi-surface I use most often, and I also got backups for this one because I knew I would. I use it for the kitchen, I use it for the bathroom, and I use it for the dining table, and basically everything. It's mostly like a clean smell. It's not a bad smell. It smells semi-sweet, but mostly just clean, which I really like about them. It doesn't have a really strong chemical-y smell. There's just a little bit of scrubbing that needs to be done. Unless you leave it on for a couple of minutes, then I believe it would just come straight off. We don't have very many mirrors in our place, so we didn't need a lot of it. The bathroom one I also use a lot because you want to clean bathroom all the time. So I use it for the toilet, the shower, and the sink. Alright guys, so my final review of the Blueland products is that yes, they do work really well, and I would say they smell even better than the traditional products that I am used to using. I like the design with the fill line. The nozzle is very nice, even though it is plastic. I like the design label. I like that it's clear with the colored bottom. The only thing is that they have cracked. And I don't remember dropping them, but this is a pretty gnarly crack. There's one there, and there's one there, and there's one here. This one has it too, but it's not on the bottom, so it's really confusing on how this happened. If it got too hot, I'm just not sure why it didn't happen to the other one, but it happened to these two. This one definitely is all the way through, so I had to actually empty out part of this one into another container. I was thinking of just using a different bottle, but on their website they don't recommend you using a different type of bottle. Now I might just email them and ask them what they suggest, and if they don't have any solution for me, I'm probably just gonna rebuy these 2 bottles and then put some cozies on every single one so that they're protected from everyday life, because it's kind of ridiculous if it was just from setting them down too hard, because this isn't even glass, it's plastic, so it's kind of annoying. So definitely be aware of that. And I have to baby them, then it's kind of a headache, but I do really like the product itself. It's just the bottles that I am not a fan of. So that's my full-on review. I feel like the house is definitely just as clean as it would be with any other product, except I don't have a blasting headache from using tons of different cleaners and having that chemically smell around the house, which I just love. If you guys liked this video and found it helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. Go check out my blog, bodyartandfaith.com. There's a lot of cool, fun things coming up soon because Halloween is in the midst. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!